Hi guys, I'm Peiru. This is about my Assessment 3 Emergency Response Presentation. Look back on the previous count, I found that there are three main problems in the flood disaster in the Zhengzhou, and the self-help of my dear patients is the point I most want to pay attention to, so I conducted some surveys. The principle of medical rescue in the face of disaster is to save lives first and then treat diseases, and to save serious injuries first and then minor injuries, and spend the primary requirement. The first priority of medical personnel is to help patients in the disaster. According to the conceptual framework of self-protection of the World Health Organization, patients should give priority to self-help and then help others if they have ability. My design will be complete according to the physical principle of medical diverse design like management. Well, in view of the medical pain point during the flood and the experience of emergency medical treatment, my goal is to design and opportunities medical equipment to help patients save themselves during the flood, improve their attention ability, and reduce the restrictions and overwork of rescue work in emergency situations. My design is a U-shaped portable infusion bag, which has the characteristics of portability, comfortable, and safe, and conforms to design principle of medical products. This is an initial design model. It's a new iteration from feedback. It has some improvements to improve the shortcomings of a U-shaped infusion bag. Considering that some patients forget the infusion time because they are nervous and the nurse can't take care of each patient in time, I add a light bar with remember functions. When the light put the blue light, it can let people know that it's time to remove the infusion bag. When the patient need help, press the light strip and the light will turn right to remember the medical staff that the patient need help. I optimized the shape of the bag, considering the various placement formats of the infusion bag. I put the infusion tube inside. There are small holes between the infusion tube and the bag to ensure the flow of liquid, even if the bag lies at a certain angle. Finally, I conducted an in-depth study on the materials used, compared the general characteristics of four different infusion packaging materials with exciting technology. I selected polypropylene bag, which has practical plasticity, safety, low power, easy to use, and very cheap. The self-tape is made of TPE, which has advantage of simple pricing and high safety. Well, due to the limitation of connection, I bought simple experiment and user use. I think that's all. Thanks.